Now this is how you can find the clipboard on your Android phone. So we have to get to a place where we can find the keyboard. So you can see I'm gonna just tap on this random text field, and you need to pay attention to the button which looks like clipboard. It already shows up above my keyboard. So above that I have like the emojis and some settings and so on, and the option in the middle is for the clipboard. So I can tap on it like this, and it shows up all of the copied links and a text which I have stored in there. So that's how you can find it, right? And then that's how you can come back to the main keyboard. The point is that yours might look slightly different, so perhaps you need to click around the buttons, perhaps hold down on the buttons next to the space bar, right? Or hold down on the globe, or play around with it to see if the clipboard doesn't show up. Or you might also be using a different keyboard app. For example, a lot of people use Gboard by Google, right? And if you have that application, then the clipboard is going to be accessed a little bit differently, but still it's going to look exactly the same, where you just tap on the clipboard and it will look like similar, it will have similar icons. So I hope it helps. Let me know if I managed to explain it. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.